Hello, in this website I'm going to cover how to use Wisestamp, which is one of my new favorite little tools. If you see here, I've gone into my Gmail account and I've clicked Compose an Email. Now when you do install Wisestamp, it really doesn't do anything. It just all of a sudden you'll see a little icon in the bottom right of your toolbar at the bottom, or if you click Compose Email and then you right click, you should have several options that come up, and one of those, there should be an Insert a Signature. So in order to edit your signature, you just click on Edit Signature, and in this toolbar is where you edit your signature. So when this comes up, you can see you've got a personal signature you can have, or business. I just use the same one for all of them. Now down here you can see all of the icons will show up in your signature. There's actually tons to choose from. So if you use this little pop-up, you can scroll through here and you can pretty much put anything that you want in your signature, any of those icons. You know, so it's really up to you which icons you use, and you can actually, I'm pretty sure you can even add more. If I just added a new profile, it would add a line down here, and then I could add another, you know, choose something else to go in there. I really don't have that many that I would want to add, so I'm going to delete this one because I don't really need it. But so you can go in there. Now when you do paste in your URL address, make sure it's your profile page. So for example, Flickr, you would want to go click on your photo stream, and then that's the page. Your photo stream page is the page that has your profile and your full profile URL. The same with Twitter. You don't want to just be in Twitter. You need to go to your profile and then copy the URL. For those of you that don't know, your URL is what's going to show up here at the very top of your screen in this bar up here. Now also with Wisestamp, you can do IMs. You can add an RSS feed, for example, for your website or your iContact. All their newsletters go into a RSS feed. So you can pretty much do any of those in here. It's really awesome. And for settings, if you go in here, if you choose to uncheck Promote Wisestamp Project, I strongly recommend that you make a donation. This is an open source project, which means these people did all of this work for nothing. So if you choose not to give them credit for it or promote the project, it's really a good idea to go ahead and make a donation. You know, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, whatever you can afford. I'm sure they would appreciate it. If you know, would rather not donate money, then it would be nice if you just, you know, give them acknowledgement in your signature. Okay, now if you want to make a certain text a link, like I did here, Best Sites for Professionals goes to my Best Sites for Professional websites. So all you would do to make certain text a link is highlight the words. So here I'm going to highlight, if I ever get the cursor right, I'm going to highlight these words, Jody Adams, and then I would click here where it says add a link. And then here you want to paste the full URL from up top. Whatever your website homepage is, copy that and paste it here. Obviously you're probably going to want to delete the HTTP that's already set in there, because you're going to be copying and pasting the entire URL from up here. And if you do that, if it has HTTP in there twice, then you know it's not going to show up. So you want to make sure you put the proper URL. Okay, so here's bold, italics, there's all kinds of fonts in here. There's a font style, font size, color, background color, text color, image, center, you know, pretty much anything that you could think of is in here. So I hope this helps, and I sure hope you go to Wisestamp.com and download their little signature application. I think it's really awesome. And as you can see in here, it works really great because all I have to do is start typing and then click send, and I have a signature in here. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this video.